Hello, welcome back. Many of you requested new RSR video reserve rights. It's been 2 weeks since my last video and many interesting things happened on the market. I'm looking at a chart and I'm really proud of myself because first, I presented to you this order box right here. And secondly, I gave you those two take profit levels. 618 Fibonacci retracement level and number 2 right here, and they were filled up perfectly with this little wick right here. So the weekly candle closure, we closed it around this 618 level right here, but we had one little shot over here, and if you had your limit orders automatic sales over here, you could have made a tremendous amount of profit. So I'm actually measuring from the bottom to the top, and it's like it's around 600%, which is crazy. That's 7x from that one little movement starting from August 24th, like this year. It's just a couple of months. 7x in a couple of months, which is crazy. And that's why I'm telling you guys how important is actually catching those super low levels. And if you don't want to miss out on the next opportunities like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, because I'm trying to grow this channel, and it really helps me if you like this video and comment down below, and a comment and you subscribe to the channel really helps me. All right, so what's next? Absolutely, this is not financial advice as always, but I'm looking at a chart and I'm thinking what can possibly happen next, and I have a couple of ideas. But RSR is really volatile asset. It's low market cap altcoin, and as you can see, we actually dropped like 65% from the top, which is crazy. With a little correction, actually Bitcoin, when we look at Bitcoin is going just in one simple channel right here. It's like nothing crazy is happening to BTC, and yet it affected RSR so much, which is crazy. And I think the liquidity has been taken at those levels. Like new people were coming in, they were buying RSR because it was just growing, and right now those whales that drop their bags in this level marked on a chart, they're gonna slowly accumulate at those low levels before we shoot out again. And I'm thinking, I'm looking at this moving average right here, and I think we're gonna see something like 1 or 2 weeks down. I don't know how low we're gonna go, but I think something like that may happen, and we can just go up like this. I think this moving average should go like this, and my prediction is something like this and going up for the next local top or potentially new local top. If we break that level, this resistance right here, we can continue going up. But the best scenario right now is actually, I will be very happy. I'm not trading RSR right now because I've traded it many times in the past, and I remember after, I think we were just done with one cycle, one microcycle. But in crypto, it's never like everything is for sure, right? You never know. So actually tomorrow we can just shoot another few 100%. You never know, all right? But all we can do is just point out possibilities, right? So the most possible scenario for me right now is going a little bit of sideways with a little wicks towards the lower side, and which would be ideal for DCA. And remember, guys, how important it is to actually catch those support levels, because if you caught this support level right here, it would have given you almost 7x, 8x, like which is 600%, 650% of profit. But if, for example, you start investing at those levels right here, let's just randomly choose this area right here, that's just 140% of profit, just right. So on the chart, it's really magical, because on the chart, this doesn't really seem far away from those levels, right? But here we have 600%, right? and from this level right here we have only 100 or 150, and the difference is huge, right? So that's really important to catch those levels. I've been telling you guys for a long time that you make money on the way down, so it's not important when you sell it. It's really important how low you actually get in on this trade, okay? Because then you can safely escape the train and you can just let it rolling, and it's less risky, okay? It's much safer strategy, all right? So even though not financial advice, you, for example, accumulate your RSR at this 618 level right here, you should be happy. If we go down to lower levels and you lose like 50% of your position, just temporarily, you should be happy, because if you actually catch this level right here, this support, you're gonna recover everything and you're gonna be even in profit as we bounce back. So you can actually sell both positions with profit and not risk it. So right now, I think what I would be focusing right now is catching those supports levels, which is 1 cent over here, 0.89, 618 Fibonacci retracement level right here. I'm just gonna point it out on the chart for you. This one right here, 0.5 over here, and if we go lower, I think 236 is the lowest we can get right here. So it's crazy, because for I've been telling you guys for a long time that for altcoins, for lower market cap coins like RSR or any other, it's possible in a bull market to hit 236 Fibonacci retracement level. And I actually measured from here. There's a bottom here of the movement, and there's a top side of the movement, and we go down and we actually bounce off this level here. That's 236 Fibonacci retracement level right here. So we actually did it. So that's incredible how far we can actually correct, like normally on lower market cap. That's why I've been telling you guys to take profit on the way up, because then you can take that profit and swing trade and reaccumulate, and at the end of that game you will end up with more assets, and the more you can sell at the top, right? So that's really important. And what next? If Bitcoin is just going sideways right now, if Bitcoin is going to continue correcting, and it's going to probably, if it goes down to that level and retest that top over here, that was a new all-time high over here, but now it's the support level, and we can just retest it and see how strong that support level is. If we bounce strong, that's good. If we break it, we're going to probably go lower. But if we do that movement here, it's going to certainly push RSR to lower levels, right? So you never know. You got to be careful, because even if we look at Fear and Greed Index, it's right now at 73, which is still high. We just were at Extreme Greed 94, and we can easily go to Fear or Extreme Fear. And if that happens, and in a high volatility asset like RSR, we can actually retest. It's possible we can retest this support over here. All right. So, and that would be amazing, because then you can just buy really hard here, and not financial advice, and just take 100% of profit, and just sell it just here. You don't even have to wait for new local top all-time high. You can just take 100% profits of that trade on spot. And if that happens, if you're gonna continue going lower here, I'm gonna set up my limit orders, automatic orders at those levels right here, in this order box over there. All right. So that's gonna be my strategy. But for now, I'm leaving RSR. I'm just waiting. You have to be really patient, especially in the crypto market. Things happen really quickly here, but not that quickly. All right. It's just a matter of weeks and months. You have to be really patient. It is actually not that much time. after all, and the patience will pay you back. All right, guys, that's it for today. I promise I'm gonna cover RSR again in the near future, so make sure to subscribe if you like this video. What you can do is just like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. If you don't know what to comment, just comment thank you. It's really gonna help the algorithm. And if you have any questions, also drop them down below. Thank you so much. That's it for today. And talk to you in a couple of weeks. Thank you. Bye.